Hello, traders, investors, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the most relevant news, in-depth analysis, and real projections about the universe of digital currencies. Today, we will talk about one of the hottest topics in the crypto market at the moment, the immediate future of Bitcoin BTC. With the price hovering around your $100,000 in recent days, analysts are divided. Some believe that Bitcoin can continue steadily towards your $110,000, while others warn of a possible correction to $90,000. So, what should we expect from the most valuable digital asset in the world? Is it time to buy, sell, or simply follow from afar? In this video, we will explore the reasons behind BTC's recent rise, the technical indicators that suggest a new high, the macroeconomic risks that can trigger a fall, and the opinions of renowned experts in the sector if you want to better understand which direction Bitcoin may take in the coming weeks and how this affects your investments. Keep watching until the end. Where is the price of Bitcoin today? Currently, Bitcoin is trading at around $100,000 after months of steady appreciation driven by a combination of technical, macroeconomic, and institutional factors. But now the market seems to be at a crossroads. Some see BTC as about to break new all-time highs. Others fear an inevitable correction after so many consecutive gains. And it is precisely this divergence of views that makes this moment so interesting and potentially profitable or dangerous depending on your position in the market. Why do some analysts see a rising to 110K? Several industry experts, including strategists from major asset managers such as ARK Invest, Standard Chartered, and Galaxy Digital, are optimistic about the future of Bitcoin. Here are the main reasons. Seeking safe assets. With global inflation still high in many economies and interest rates starting to fall, investors are looking for alternatives to traditional gold and the dollar. Many see Bitcoin as a digital reserve, especially with its limited supply of 21 million units. Accelerated institutional adoption. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have been approved in the US, and now funds like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK are buying BTC on a large scale. This means that billions of dollars could flow into the market in the coming months. Upcoming halving event scheduled for April 2024. The next Bitcoin halving will halve the reward paid to miners, further increasing scarcity pressure in the market. Historical volatility anticipates larger moves. Historically, periods close to halvings are marked by significant rallies. If the trend continues, it would not be surprising to see BTC surpass $110,000 soon. But why are other analysts warning of a drop to $90,000? Despite the optimism of part of the market, there are those who see real risks of correction. Check out the main arguments. Technical overbought. The charts show that Bitcoin is currently in the overbought zone with RSI above 70. This is a classic sign of exhaustion of the upward movement, suggesting that a technical correction may be near. Excess liquidity and quick gains. Many traders entered the race late and are selling quickly to secure profits. This type of behavior can generate sudden waves of selling. Regulatory risk. While some countries are opening up space for cryptocurrencies, others are toughening their stance. The United States, China, and India have given mixed signals, which may negatively impact market confidence. Uncertain geopolitical scenario, tensions in the Middle East, conflicts in Europe, and global economic instability could also lead to adjustments in investor behavior, with possible capital flows out of risky assets such as Bitcoin. Buy, sell, or wait? Which is the best strategy? As always, the answer depends on your investor profile. Here are some tips based on different profiles. For long-term investors, consider accumulating gradually. Ignore short-term fluctuations. Keep most of your BTC in cold wallets. For short-term traders, use well-defined stop losses and take profits. Watch key support and resistance levels. Monitor volume and macroeconomic events. For beginners, study before you act. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with small amounts and learn over time. Bitcoin continues to be the center of attention in the crypto market, but now it faces a crucial moment. Will it continue its steady march towards 110,000 La, or will it correct to $90,000? Although there are strong arguments on both sides, the most important thing is to stay calm, study deeply, and never invest without understanding the risks involved. If this video was useful to you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications whenever we release new content about cryptocurrencies, technical analysis, and global trends. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin really reach $110,000? Or is it time to sell? Leave your comment below. Until the next video, and remember, invest wisely, always learn, and be prepared for the digital financial future.